This one's out toward right field, hit well. Reddick moving back on it, still going back, reaches up and makes a spectacular catch. Tagging and scoring is Erick Aybar. We are tied at 2. But Reddick just robbed Mike Trout of extra bases and perhaps giving the Angels a lead.
This shows you how strong Trout is. Off the bat, Reddick thought he had that baseball track, but realizing the ball was almost over his head. It was going to be at least a double. Going back on it, reaches up, had to jump and make a good play and got that ball right away into second base to make sure the Shuck wasn't able to tag up and go from first to second.